Hangzhou is famous for the tranquil westlight and the spectacle tidal waves of Qiantang River. It has placed host to the G20 summit and enjoys a burgeoning digital economy. The city with unique glamour and history of thousands of years has become the third city in China to host the Asian Games after Beijing and Guangzhou. Hello everyone, it's Yunus Ghazali. My Chinese name is Yan Chengping. Today I'm going to take you on a sneak peek of the competition venues of the 19th Asian Games to be held in Hangzhou. I was told that there are many amazing things there and I can't wait, so let's go. I'm right outside the Natatorium now. This entrance leads to two venues, as this building features two interconnected venues, namely the Natatorium and the main stadium. Now I'm inside this stunning butterfly-shaped building and I can feel it's very bright and comfortable. Actually, this is not an effect that is created by ordinary electric lightning. Look up, you can find something special on the roof. I learned that architects have designed a light matrix for the big butterfly, consisting of 210 light tubes, of which 83 are above the natatorium. As we can see, the light tubes can channel sunlight into the building when there is sufficient natural light outside. The whole building can be well illuminated. Today I have an appointment with Mr. Yang, who is an engineer from CSCEC. 你好 Mr. Yang。
你好，郑平，怎么样？我们游泳馆的水质还不错吧？
它看起来就像传说一样清澈。
它不光清澈，甚至达到了饮用水的标准。我这里带了 GDS 水质检测工具，可以测量水中的固形物质。你试一下。
好。
小于300就是达到了饮用水的标准。我们采用了过滤和消毒2道工序。首先，硅藻离和尿素以及有机物分解装置能够将1到2微米的杂质和微生物过滤掉。接着，我们用工业盐生成的次氯酸钠，还有10千伏高压模拟雷击生成臭氧对水质进行消杀。这样一来，水质就能达到饮用水的标准了。
原来要经过这么多的步骤，才能让它保持真液的状态。
是的，是的。
Now I'm inside the other wing of the butterfly, the main stadium. Since I entered this venue, I have noticed that the room temperature is quite balanced and comfortable here. Neither too cold nor too hot. Well, this is attributed to another secret we will uncover next. The venue is close to the Qiantang River. Architects have ingeniously leveraged the geographical advantage and used the river water as a medium for energy storage in a bid to absorb heat or release heat according to the temperature changes in the stadium. It is like a water air conditioner, both environmentally friendly and energy efficient. I'm really impressed. Another CSCEC engineer, Mr. Liu, told me that despite the stadium being currently for basketball, and it can be turned into an ice hockey rink in 8 hours. That's amazing. Hello, Liu.
Hi, 郑平。
好久不见。
好久不见，欢迎你来到杭州亚运会主体育馆。
谢谢谢谢。这个你之前和我说过，这个篮球场能变成冰球场，对吗？
是的，在有需要的时候，它可以快速转化成冰球场。郑平，你知道制冰过程中最重要的是什么吗？最重要的是要快速制冷。我们这个采用乙亚醇作为制冷剂，相比于传统技术，它能够使这个制冷过程中的碳排放量几乎为0，实现我们节能减排的目标。这个技术能够在6到8小时之内让这个篮球的地面变成冰面。
8个小时，原来是这样的。Now we are at the most important part of the venue. It is called the smart brain of the whole stadium.
我们可以通过这个智能系统实时了解场馆信息，比如各个设备的运行状态、场馆内的温度、湿度，以及这个人员的密集程度等等。为了让你能够更直观地感受到这个智慧大脑，我特地准备了一个红外线测温仪和湿度测试仪，你可以拿着它在场馆里到处走走。
Now I'm at the training hall of the Hangzhou Olympic Sports Center. The architectural appearance of this training hall is different from that of common buildings. It is shaped like a giant cube. The archaeological ruins of Liangzhu city in Hangzhou, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is where the largest number of jetsong have been unearthed. That's why one of the 3 mascots of the Hangzhou Asian Games is named Song Song. The wooden walkway under my feet is one of the most internet famous sites in Hangzhou. The spiral path resembles a ribbon and the patterns carved on the surface of jetsong. It symbolizes the spirit of perseverance in competitive sports. 那你在这个广场的运动体验怎么样？你觉得？
我是坐地铁过来的。
哦，地铁过来的，那就很方便吧？
挺好，场馆也新。
这边还是比较好的，因为一个是环境的整洁度啊，包括场馆亮度，还有地板的舒适性都是比较好的。
正因为有了亚运会，然后有更多新的场馆建设，让我们市民呢拥有了更多可以运动的地方。
There's no doubt that the 3 venues built by CSEC for the Hangzhou Asian Games are really amazing, especially these stunning designs and technologies. I think the whole city has been empowered and gained new vigor because of the 3 venues for the Asian Games. I believe you will also be influenced by the people's strong and positive sports spirit when you visit here. As we all know, each grand sports event will kindle a new wave of sports craze. Let's look forward to the 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, where people from the countries and regions of Asia will compete in sports with the goal of enhancing communication with each other, heart to heart for a better future.